Doko, where we at, my bro?
We in Paris.
Hey man, like, I'm talking to 10 years after me.
One of the best scientific minds we have today.
Good afternoon. Bonjour. Day 2. We're outside in these streets. Where I am right now, there's a football court. Exactly where I am. As you can see, there's loads of people outside enjoying the weather. There's a nice baby park out here. But I'm looking at footballers right now. I'm trying to find the next Kylian Mbappe. It looks crazy down there. So let's see what's happening. Oh, they love football out here, just like the UK. Oh. Have a look at Paris though. This is Paris in the summer. It's a vibe, man. That's a goal. That's a foul. Oh, there's beef kicking off on the pitch. I told you, man, I'm looking for Mbappe's younger brothers, cousins, aunties, uncles, nephew, fam. That's what I'm looking for, fam. I'm off. My guy. Oh. So, I'm currently on my way to the station. I'm trying to go to...
Next departures in 2 and 4 minutes.
Oh, okay. Merci beaucoup. Yeah, I was just at the football cages watching that game. Rose, Paris in the summer is completely different to Paris in the winter. Completely different. And I actually like it, man. It's like London with a bit of je ne sais quoi, a bit of avavoom. If London is like medium in Nando's, Paris is like hot. And in the summer, it's extra hot. Last night was actually lit. It was at Palais de Tokyo. Young Savage Coco performed. I think Sench performed. The man from Japan was there. It's all good, man. Good to link up. First night at Paris and it went well. We're back out today. The sun is shining. Let's go. We're getting the train today. If I can find the flipping station. Don't know where I am right now, but I'm just winging it. I just got my metro ticket for the yak. Let's head into Central, man. Big ass station. I'm just trying to get outside to find this currency exchange. Excusez-moi, parlez anglais?
Yes.
Okay, where is the sortie exit? I can just go straight.
Yeah, let's go straight.
Oh, up.
We go straight up.
Straight and up.
Yeah.
Merci beaucoup. This station is a shopping centre, cuz. Come like Waterloo, fam. There's Yarmeens, left, right, centre. I can't even look straight. Up 2 escalators. Just looking for an exit. All I'm looking for is an exit. It's peak. This is wham, cuz. Sortie, look. I'm looking for sortie. Sortie where? Where, monsieur? Where? Brother. We're out here. Châtelet, as they call it. I love your outfit, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Where are you from?
I'm from here.
Oh, London.
Are you from London?
Yeah. I'm vlogging. Nice to meet you, my guy.
Okay, nice to meet you, bro.
You here for, are you going Fashion Week or are you going to anything?
I was going to meet my friend.
Over. See you later. Alright, so I'm trying to get some cash moolah. The city's beautiful, man. Enough of looking at me, man. Look at the city. Paris in the summer. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful vibe. I'm gonna be here every summer, man. Oh, sorry. Oh, what's up? You good? Parlez anglais? English? You speak English?
English, you know.
I'm from London. Nice to meet you.
London?
Yeah, I'm from
London?
Yeah, I'm here for the weekend. What are you man saying? You good? Yeah. Yeah, I like your outfits. You guys are looking cool.
I like your shoes, bro.
Oh, thank you. Fashion week, a couple of things, a few things. I got friends here and shit. You know.
I see.
Yeah.
You're streaming?
I make music, yeah. Well, I'm blogging right now. But it's cool. Don't worry.
Follow me on IG, SRTMSZ.
And you?
And GRCH underscore first one.
Par pitié, Mounou Zasta, par pitié.
Papiche?
Ouais, en vrai.
What does that mean?
I beg.
Beg you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll follow you guys on Insta, man.
Ça veut dire je suis suppliant, gros. Oh! Mais t'es un bon, t'es grave un bon.
Yeah, I'll follow you guys.
Thank you so much.
follow you.
I love you.
It's all good.
And where you from in London?
East London, Barking,
Okay.
like far east.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you ever been? You ever been to London?
Is it dangerous?
Yeah, but
Is it diverse?
Is it dangerous?
Dangerous?
Not to speak. If I speak, I am in big trouble. In big trouble.
He's got the drip right. Okay, so this is what you just caught. This is looking serious. Oh la la.
Oh la la.
Oh la la.
That's French. That's French. That's French.
Oh la la. Huh?
He take my money for this.
Don't snitch on him. Don't snitch.
My money for this. Him, you know.
Oh, you're looking fly. You're looking. You're looking fly, my guy.
That's French drip. That's French drip. That's French drip. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's from Paris.
Okay.
That's from Paris.
I'm fucking with it. Are you going out tonight?
No.
Mademoiselle?
No.
I love your hair. Cool. Parlez anglais? Anglais? I'm from London, bro.
You're from London?
Yeah, from London.
What's up? You're from London. They have the same thing in London. They have the squad.
I go, but I fall over too many times.
It's the same thing. It's the process. You don't have to be scared to fall.
Oh, I like it. Okay, so what? Can you do this?
No, I don't have to do this. But yeah, I'm just kind of like a jump a few.
Oh, you jump over?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Scary, you know?
Oh, shit. Oh. Yeah, we're outside right now. I think we're by the Louvre. And the man them are just skating still. Woo. Yeah, I might have to give the GoPro to one of these man to do a mad thing.
We kick, push, coast. So come and skate with me. Just a rebel looking for a place to be. So let's kick and push and coast.
This is crazy.
J'ai une pellicule pleine là. Une pellicule pleine. Ah, ok.
Are these your friends?
No.
Oh, you just walk. Oh, same. I'm just saying, bro. That was hard. Smooth. Yeah, man just cutting past the Louvre. Bumped into a group of skaters, man. These skaters from France, man. These guys are the coolest. They're the coolest guys, man. I'm gonna put their Instagram in the bio, man. They're lit. I can't even swear, but they're very good. Going to meet one of the man them right now. Tell you what, mate. Paris is just so leng, cuz. Look what I'm taking a photo of right now. Watch out. Walking to Armand right now. You're.
Hello?
Where you at though?
Where we at? Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!
Where we at, Cash?
Man, where we at? Bristol right now, little Bristol.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me? We out in Paris, niggas in Paris and shit.
Niggas in Paris and shit. Doko, where we at, my bro?
We in Paris. Come here, bro.
My God, come on. It is day 2, we're outside with a man them in Paris. We're about to go into another spot. Got the guys from Japan over here. Whole lot of gang shit going on. Can't swear because this is for YouTube again. Désolé. Women outside.
Hey man, like I'm talking to 10 years after me.
Okay, peace is like this.
Peace.
Can you say like, comment, subscribe in Korean?
Oh, 구독, 좋아요.
That's scientific minds we have
좋아요. 구독.
That's French drip. That's French drip. Yeah.